By default, the reporting server hosts and configures geographic boundaries for 58 world administrative regions. You can use these files to generate Esri maps in App Studio. However, if you have a second-level license, you can map additional, more detailed administrative regions down to the postal code level, where available, for approximately 250 countries. Once you have obtained the license from Esri, you must enter it in the License Second-Level Maps field of the Reporting Server License Management page. On the Workspace page, click License on the ribbon, enter the license code, then click Save and Restart Server. The server also has a list of the countries and administrative levels that are available. Click the Settings button on the ribbon, point to Geo-Services, and click General Maps Info. The rows that have Paid in the Maps license column represent the second-level license administrative regions. To see additional information about the administrative levels for each country, right-click a country name and click Drill to Administrative Levels, or Drill to Postal Levels where postal levels are supported. Note that you can right-click an administrative level column to see a summary of the values for that column. Now you can generate an Esri map in App Studio that uses these detailed administrative regions. The file frpostalcodes.ftm has a list of administrative regions for France. It is based on a CSV file downloaded from AgData at the URL shown on screen. It is available using a Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 license, as detailed at the URL shown on screen now. Information Builders takes no responsibility for the accuracy or continued existence of this data on this site. It is being used only as an example of the detailed administrative boundaries available with a second-level license. The request FrenchZip2.fex prints the country, state, city, and postal code fields. Create a new HTML page, add an Esri component, add the request, and configure the map to use this request and the postal code geographic role. Run the HTML page. Zoom in to see detailed boundaries for each postal code. To learn more, visit the WebFocus knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.